How to turn off voice narrator in Roku TV. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn off voice narrator in Roku TV. Now, if you're not able to turn off the voice narrator or if you have turned it on accidentally, then with these simple steps, you will be able to turn it off. All you have to do is open the Roku TV and then head over to your home page. Once you're on the home page of Roku TV or Roku Player, you want to scroll down to the settings option. Now, on the settings option, you have different things such as themes, screensaver, accessibility, TV pictures, and much more. You want to select the option of accessibility. Once you're on the accessibility option, you will have audio guide option. Now with this option toggled on, everything on the screen will be narrated to you. This might be helpful in some cases, but it can also get annoying. So if you are looking to toggle this option off, then all you have to do is select the off option. As you can see right now, it is set to on. Now you want to select the off option, and once you select off, the voice narrator is going to be turned off. And just with these simple and easy steps, you have successfully turned off the narrator or the audio voice guide in Roku TV. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.